Hey guys, Dustin Medlin here, again at a house over in Raytown, another ranch home, 3-bedroom. And this one, I believe they're asking 103, which is a little high, but one good thing is it looks like it has a new roof. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. So here's a good look at the outside of the house. Looks like the outside's in pretty good shape. You can kind of see the roof. It is, I believe, 4 years old is what the disclosure had said, excuse me. You got vents for the roof all the way along there. Covered window wells. The basement, keep water from getting in. That one needs replaced. Same with the side. There's the exterior AC unit. Overhead electrical coming in from the backyard. Gable vent. Outside paint looks okay. Doesn't appear to be peeling off or anything yet. There are, again, some limbs down over here that need to be cleaned up. I like the look of the outsides of this house. It looks nice. It's got a good curb appeal, except for maybe that board right there. Probably cut that off. And over on the other side of the house here, this is the north side, by the way. Pretty good shape. I believe it. They said that they were going to leave the outdoor furniture with this house. Looks like the tree had fallen towards the house back here. There's the neighbor's dog. Back of the house looks pretty good. You got a little shed out there, garden shed. Larger trees. Looks like the home is pretty well maintained, at least from the outside. This deck is even in good shape. Helps that it's covered, but that's a nice selling point. But yeah, I didn't see any major cracks in the foundation or anything like that when we walked around the outside, so we'll go inside and take a look. All right, so getting inside of this house, over off of Everett, you're gonna see a kitchen that's in pretty good shape. You got good, decent cabinets, refrigerator, range. Floor looks not bad at all, could be kept. The only drawback maybe is that wallpaper. But yeah, you got lots of kitchen cabinet storage in here. This is 3-bedroom, 1-bath too, by the way. You got a coat closet coming in the door. Here's the garage off right immediately as you come into the house. We'll come back to that. You do have carpet that has some stains on it. This is a family member is selling this property. I believe his elderly parents had lived here. It's kind of interesting the way that the ceilings are open and that the roof is vaulted. You got, oh, this carpet needs to be replaced. Here's the bathroom. Wallpaper need to be removed. And again, over here, you're probably looking at $900 to $1,000 a month in rent. Bedroom number 1. Got some extra storage up above. Don't see those every day. Large closet here. I'm thinking that's probably going to be the master bedroom. And back here, looks like they were using this other bedroom, bedroom number 2, as a sitting room. Oh, they even got some quail as a trim along the top. That's nice. Got paneling. Again, the carpet needs to go. So does the wallpaper. And moving back into here. Interesting ceiling. Looks like a wood floor. Yeah, that's like a drop ceiling type product. That's made to look like wood. This is the 3rd bedroom, by the way. So you could update that fan. You know, most of the fixtures in this house probably do need updated. This house, you know, it's about the same size as most of them we've been looking at, right around 1,000 square foot, 900. Nice sliding glass door to the backyard. So that's the main areas of the house. Mostly all I see is cosmetic. Cosmetic updates. The tub and everything look okay. Here's one problem: there is not a shower. So have to probably add one. Probably get into that wall right there and add one. And there's a little spot on the drywall right there. Yeah, spot on the drywall. Right there. Can't tell really what caused that. Probably it's right by the vent, so maybe the cold air and the warm air. Because that's the garage on the outside, so maybe the coldness of the garage was creating some condensation or something right there that's causing it to pop. Attic access. Little crack up in the ceiling in the garage. Wouldn't even bother fixing those. 1-car garage. Walls look pretty good. Head to the basement. Let's see if we can find the lights. Oops, back up here. Okay, so here's the basement, unfinished. This back wall feels like it's bowing in at the top a little bit, although I don't see any cracks or anything like that in it. Well, here's one that's been fixed, coming off the corner of the window. As usual. There's another one coming off the corner of the window. We have had quite a bit of moisture, so I don't see any water signs down here right now. Yes, there's some right here. That crack is weeping. So yeah, this one has had some foundation issues in the past. It looks like somebody's tried to address, but they haven't gone as far as to put any steel bracing or anything like that on it. This is kind of a nice space down here that could be used as a man cave or a shop for somebody that likes to tinker. So here's the other part of the basement room, and this is kind of what I was figuring. There is a shower down here. That's kind of how they did it in the old times. A lot of those houses were just built with bathtubs upstairs, and then they had a shower down in the basement. And that's exactly what this is, and it used the floor drain. Got paneling on the wall down here. This is also where looks like the dryer and washing machine would go. Here's your hot water heater. Looks like it's in decent shape. And the furnace. Let's look at the front of it. To York. And that is pretty old, it looks like. But very clean. Very clean condition, so. So yeah, that's this one. Yeah, you can see, again, look at this. You can see with the inward bulge of the wall compared to the electrical box. So this back wall probably needs braced. And you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 braces at $250, $275 a piece. So keep that in mind. So all in all, I'd say this one is probably, with them asking 103, just as I thought when I originally saw it. They're way out of touch on the price. It needs that bracing on the foundation wall in the back, and I'm guessing that's probably because this back wall or this backyard does slant towards the house, so you could see that. You know, and with the amount of updating it needs wallpaper removed. Again, you know, this one's probably not going to work unless it can be bought at a considerable discount. So anyway, that's where we're at on this one. Talk to you later. Let me know if you have any other questions. See you soon.